Hey.
Hey, so I just got out of school. I wondered if you want to go get some drinks or something.
Yeah, sure, I'm down.
I was just gonna invite some few other friends, but I could go get you. I could go pick you up.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's good. What time?
Yeah, probably like in about like 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Okay.
Okay, I've been drinking, so I'm a little buzzed, but yeah, if you want to come drink up, we're gonna go to the park.
Yeah, that's fine.
If you want, we'll get some food after, but
okay.
Yeah, I'll be driving.
Are you good?
No, I'm good to drive.
Okay.
Yeah, if you want to get some drinks, we're gonna go get some. So.
Okay. Okay, that sounds good.
And yeah, I'll probably be there in about like 10 minutes.
Okay, that's good.
So yeah, I'll text you when I'm there.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Look what I have. Bro.
Cheers.
I'm gonna go get the car. I'll be back. I'm gonna go get the car.
Bro, you got all them drinks. Are you good?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Bro, yes.
Oh,
Bro,
okay.
back up.
Okay.
I told you I'm good.
Okay.
What's your emergency?
There appears to be a traffic collision right in front of Carter High School. It looks to be two. There's blood all over the place. I don't know if you could just send help immediately, please.
Rialto to all units. Pending an unknown injury traffic collision to the front of Carter High School, 2630 North Linden, 2630 North Linden. Break. It's a two-vehicle collision involving a white and black vehicle. Caller advised one person is unresponsive and informing fires en route.
Looking at my pen for me, okay?
Good compressions, good compressions.
Fixed, blown, and dilated bilaterally.
All right, so we have non-reactive. Patient's been down for at least 20 minutes prior to arrival. We've continued to do CPR for another 15 minutes. We've done everything. All right, we're gonna go ahead and call it at 11:54. Do we have any parents on scene? We did everything we could. All right. Morning. Are you the parents for Noah Escobar?
Yes.
Okay. So did you guys get any rundown on what happened with him?
No.
So it sounds like there was a bad accident. He was brought here with CPR in progress. We unfortunately weren't able to get pulses back. I'm gonna bring you guys in just to view the body. Do you guys have any questions or anything There was a really bad accident that happened, so.
What do you mean?
There was a car accident. We weren't able to get pulses back. They started CPR before they got here. We continued CPR when he did arrive. We did it for about 15, 20 minutes, but again, we weren't able to get pulses back. So he had extreme injuries, so that we weren't able to resuscitate him. Okay.
So he's dead?
He has passed. Okay.
Whoa.
He's passed. And we did everything that we possibly could for him. Okay. Okay, the crew that brought him in, they did everything, and we continue to do everything, okay? Yeah. Do you guys need anything before we go in? Is there anyone that I can call to be with you guys right now?
This morning, shortly before 7 o'clock, our communications center received several 911 calls from the area of Carter High School regarding a vehicle versus pedestrian traffic collision. When our officers arrived, we did discover that a driver who was found to be intoxicated did strike a pedestrian as the pedestrian was crossing the street. That person who was struck was was Alyssa, and fire department responded out, and despite their best efforts, Alyssa unfortunately has passed away. The driver, like I said, was intoxicated. We're going to do everything we can at the police department, working with the district attorney's office to make sure that we get you and your family some justice, okay? I'm so sorry to have to tell this to you. Unfortunately, yes, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry, ma'am. We're going to do everything we can to ensure that this person who's responsible for this collision faces justice, okay? Is there anyone else who you'd like us to call for you?
Oh my God. I gotta call her dad and let him know.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay, ma'am. I appreciate you guys. Okay.
With heavy hearts, we announce the passing of Alyssa, who was taken from us far too soon due to an impaired driver at the age of 16. A junior at Carter High School, Alyssa was a bright and loving young woman whose energy, kindness, and humor brought joy to everyone around her. Her social and caring nature made her a cherished daughter, sister, granddaughter, and friend. Alyssa is survived by her loving parents, Eddie and Crystal Ramirez, her beloved brothers and her devoted grandparents, and many close friends who will forever hold her memory in their hearts. Whether leading with school spirit or supporting her peers, Alyssa's passion for being involved and making a difference was evident in everything she did. Alyssa's loved listening to music, playing with her dog, spending quality time with her cousins. Her warmth and enthusiasm made every moment special, and she had a way of bringing people together with her outgoing personality. With dreams of attending college, Alyssa aspired to become either a teacher or a police officer, dedicating her future to helping and protecting others. Alyssa's funny, active, and social nature made her a light in the lives of so many. Though her time with us was too short, her spirit will live on in love and laughter she shared with the world. Rest in peace, Alyssa. You will always be in our hearts.
Walk down. Go ahead and make your phone call.
Hello? What?
I'm at the jail.
What did you do?
I crashed the car. I was drinking and driving, and I don't know what happened.
Why were you drinking?
My friends were in the other car, and one of them died, and I don't know who it is, and I don't know what to do.
You know, this is really bad. This is really bad.
I know, I'm sorry. They're seriously hurt.
We've talked about this so many times.
I know.
I'll see what I can do.
Okay.
I love you.
I love you too, bye.